Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I have completed one Anthropic course and I thought let's share the learnings and my honest review about this course. So without wasting the time, let's start with the thing. But I would share the course name as well before starting this video. The course name was AI Fluency Framework and Foundation. If you want to learn through this course, I will provide you the course link in the description. So let's start with the first learning I have learned. Like I have added 3 prompts in this video. So let's start with it. Giving the AI thinking space. So what do I mean by this? Before answering, please think through this problem carefully. Consider the different factors involved, potential constraint and various approaches before recommending the brief solution. So you should write these types of prompt, and by this AI has thinking space and it would consider lots of factors before answering the particular one. For example, you don't tell that this architecture of your project is perfect. You should tell the AI that let's think through this, and you should think through this and find the best architecture and give me. You should add this prompt in Claude in the settings, and you should see that the quality of the output has been increased, and if the output is good by using this prompt in your Claude setting, then you would comment in this video for sure. Next prompt I have learned from this video, like from this course, was for brainstorming and feedback types of things. You should write the prompt something like this. As a UX design expert, review this website wireframe and suggest 3 improvements focusing on user navigation and accessibility. So you are providing this, give me 3 improvements, and focusing, you are giving the target that focus on user navigation and accessibility. So it would brainstorming on it and give you the good feedback. Next, ask AI for help with prompting. So sometimes you don't know the exact thing you have to do in the project or anything what you are trying to achieve. So you should write something like this. I am trying to get you to help me with your particular goal. I am not sure how to phrase my request to get the best results. Can you help me craft an effective prompt for this? So by this, AI and you will have a conversation on your goal, and you will definitely find the results you want to achieve. Okay, so worth spending the time on course? I would say definitely yes, you should spend time on it, but I have given you the best prompts I have learned from this video. This could be enough, but if you have time, you should definitely check out the course. And few other things I have learned in this course as well. I will tell you it in briefly, and I have not added it into PPT. So what human do best and what AI can do best. Sometimes in generative AI rounds, the interviewer asks this type of question, and you should definitely mention this type of answers, that human are best at critical thinking, judgment, creativity and ethical oversight, and AI are best at speed, scale, pattern recognition and processing abilities. So these are my learnings, and this is my honest review about this course. So if you are watching till now, please like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you so much for watching this video.